Hi everybody, this is Rani here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm back with another pick a card reading where we would like to see what is coming next for you, right? So, two things: I am not defining which area of your life this is going to be, and meaning we'll keep it like we'll allow the universe to show us whatever it has to show, right? It could be like a day-to-day event from your life, from your relationship, career, or it could be as big event as like a life-changing event probably. So we'll see whatever the cards has to tell us. And second, I'm not defining any timeline, so this would be any time from now. Just have faith that this is destined to happen any time from now. I will still see if I'm able to see any timeline. I would mention that, but I am going to you know uh, not really focus on the timing. Okay. I'm going to use my keepers deck and Lenormand to clarify. I have these three crystals that help you to select your pile. The red crystal is the pile 1, the purple crystal is pile 2, and the black or the gray crystal is pile 3. So I'll give you like a second to select your pile. Let's start with pile 1, right? People who have selected the red crystal or the pile 1 team, let's see what is destined to happen next in your life. We'll see whatever comes through, and as I said, we're not focusing on any area of your life, and we will not look at any timeline, right? So can you show us what pile 1 can expect next in your life, please? Let's see. So I'm going to have like 5 cards. Okay, I have something already. What is this? Adjudication. Okay. Are you involved in any court case? Oh, shut. Courthouse. Hilarious. Did I say court? Right, I did say, right? Like, are you involved in a court case or something? Okay, it's good. 2 more. Okay, I have child. Is it related to a child custody or something? We'll see. So 2 more cards, please, for pile 1. Thank you, privileged lady. Pile 1. Okay, gift. Okay, guys, I think this is a pretty clear message. Please take what resonates, right? Maybe if this is not your situation, look for the rest of the piles. So the way that I read keepers, there are many ways actually. There's no rule. With this spread, like I read diagonal. I read like the upper and the lower. I don't know what's called upper or lower. The first half or the second half, whatever, right? And the center card is the core of the message, right? And also I look at this as past, and so the left cards are the past and the right cards are what is coming next. There are many ways to read, guys. There's no rule, right? I will read the way that I feel is right. Now with adjudication, gift, and privileged lady, here's what I'm getting. Like, once this card came in, I was talking about, are you involved in a court case? And then the courthouse came in, right? Then we have a child, privileged lady, and the gift here. One prediction is, I don't know who, it can resonate with people who are involved with a court case for a child custody, right? So if this is your situation, guys, you are getting the custody. So that's the gift that you will be receiving. If you're involved in a court case, like you're filing a divorce and there is a child in the mix, Yeah, you're getting the custody. You can represent as the privileged lady, you could be the privileged lady. If not, I mean, if you're a man watching, this could be your partner. But yeah, this indicates a divorce situation, a court case that is happening where a child is involved, and it's involving the custody of the child, and you're getting the gift. I mean, you're getting the custody as a gift. Now that's one storyline. Okay. Let me see if there is any other storyline here. See, guys, definitely there is a court case that is involved, right? Because we have courthouse and adjudication, this definitely connects to a court case that is happening. Now, if it is not a child custody, right? Maybe you're just filing a divorce, probably. Okay, here's another story. As I said, this has to be a court case. There's no two way about it, right? Now, this message can be different for another set of people where maybe you filed a divorce because you filed your divorce and the divorce is being, approved, or you're finally free, something on those lines, that now you're finally free and now you are able to have a new beginning with another woman, right? A privileged lady is always like, not always, but I'm looking at this as another woman here because I have a couple here and then there is a privileged lady, right? So that can be a situation that you're going through a divorce right now, which is approved, and the divorce is granted, or you're now free or something on those lines, and now you're starting something new, or you're willing, or you will be starting something new with another lady. Now, if you are a lady yourself, you are starting something new with someone else, and this situation is bringing you abundance. I literally see this. There is no, two way to look at this situation. Let me see if I have any other storyline. I think that's it, guys. That's it. The first storyline, as I said, you're going through a court case for a child custody, and you're finally getting that. That is one situation. If that doesn't apply, the second situation is that again you're going through a divorce to start something new with someone else, and this is like the gift from the universe that things are going now in the right direction for you. These are the two situations. If both of the situation doesn't fit for you, it's fine. This is not your reading. You can move ahead and look at something else, but this is what I see for this pile. Okay, guys, that was pile 1. That was pretty quick and straightforward. We'll now move to pile 2. So people have selected the purple crystal. Let's look at what's coming next for you. As I mentioned in my intro, that we will not define the timeline or the area that we want to look at. We'll keep it fluid and see whatever the universe has to show. Okay, let me do like a good shuffle. Let me give a good shuffle. Okay, Spirit, for pile 2, people have selected the purple crystal. Can you show us what is coming next for them, please? So we want 5 cards, Spirit. Please help us to see what is coming next for pile 2. Wow, great fortune. Pretty cool. Let's see. Okay, official man. Oh, sorry, person. 3 more cards, please. Okay. It's too many. Okay. Distance horizon. Nice. Okay. card, please. Very nice. Privileged lady, man, this is exactly where privileged lady was in the pile 1. I don't know if pile 1 is something that you should look at. Oh, mean meal. Okay, I have all my cards here. Let's see, what's your story? Okay, so guys, one thing for sure that this involves around a man, right? Because the center card is a core message for you, okay? This could be yourself if you're a man watching, or if you're female watching, this involves another person in the mix, right? Can be your partner, whoever. We'll just see what's the storyline, but this involves around a man. Now this man, I mean, like if you see, he's quite handsome. He's quite handsome, and he's well dressed, and with the background I feel he has good taste in life, not life, I mean in luxury, yeah. So they can be from a very good wealthy family or something, yeah. Someone who is I don't know why did I feel someone who works in finance. This is what I heard. This could be someone who works in finance, so someone who is really well settled, or how do I put it, loves fine things in life, right? Fine jewelries or luxuries. This person is quite tasteful, that's what I can tell you. So I would read, like the way that I read diagonal. I read like the first half, the second half, and then this can be one part of the story, this could be the second part of the story, different ways to read, right? Now with great fortune, main man, privileged lady. Now privileged lady is again like a person in the story, which, like, if you're a man watching, this would be your partner. If you're a female watching, you are this and your partner is the main man, right? So I hope you understand. So we have like a counterpart energy. Now the only thing that is I feel that she is not the counterpart of this man. So I have another in the deck. There is main woman, I think main female is there in the deck, who is his counterpart. Now privileged lady is almost the other lady, right? That's how it is. But let me see, this is not a relationship reading if you ask me, because I have great fortune, official person, distant horizon, which makes me feel this is more connected to your career, right? Maybe you're getting a job overseas, right? And this is happening because of a man who is playing like a main role in this whole situation. So there is a great fortune coming from an official person. This could be like a like a boss or a business owner, a business partner, someone on the official side who is bringing a great fortune. Now this is an opportunity to travel abroad. Yeah, I think this is like an opportunity that is brought by this man to you to travel abroad, right? With this two cards, this person can be someone who's wealthy, very rich, very settled, someone who can provide, right? Of course, if you are yourself very comfortably living, that's when you are able to provide to others, right? So this person can be someone who's very, very good with their money, they are rich, and with this two mixed can be like a boss person, a business owner or something, and this person is bringing an opportunity for you to travel, is what I can see. Let me see what is this travel about. So can we get something more about this travel thing? The distance horizon, please. Can you give me another card, please? Okay, I would not take that, that's too many. So give me one card please. Okay, thank you. Oh man, unexpected income. This is definitely a job offer, right? If not job, this is definitely like a business deal or something. So this person, so if you see there is a rich hand, like a rich hand, hand of a rich person, and then there is like a beggar, you know. So guys, don't take it in a literal sense. It's the card meaning. So someone is giving money to someone, and it's very coming very unexpectedly. So it doesn't have to be really money, but I feel this is job situation. Probably this main man is getting a job offer that is involves traveling. Wherever you are right now, this would involve traveling to another place. This could be other city, country, blah blah. But this is very unexpectedly coming, and this man is bringing this opportunity to you, and you will feel very privileged, right? Now, if you are the woman watching, this is the storyline that I said. And if you're a man watching, you are going, towards this privileged lady. Maybe you will have to, if you're a man watching, you will have to travel towards this woman to give her the unexpected income. But this is a job or a career situation. I don't see love in the mix right now. This is more focused in bringing, opportunity. So if you're a man, you're giving an opportunity to a woman. If you're a woman watching, a man is coming to bring you an opportunity. That's what I have for you guys. This was very quick reading. That is what you can expect next, right? So we'll now move to pile 3. That's this black or gray crystal. So guys, what we are here to ask what's coming next for you. Now this, as I said, we'll not define this reading with any area of your life. We'll keep it very fluid, meaning we'll see whatever the universe has to show us, right, in terms of what is coming next for you, and we'll not put any timeline here. Okay, let me give this a good shuffle please. Hold on. For pile 3, Spirit, can you show us what is next for pile 3 please? Pile 3, what is next? Pile 3, let's see. Okay, we need 5 cards please. Oh, this man is coming again. So can we have, okay, I'll take this. Ooh, we have a mature woman here. Thoughts here. This is a love story. I'm saying a love situation. High honor. Okay, cool. What's the center card? Last card please. Holy shit, I can't even swear. I can't make this up. Okay. Guys, you excuse me if I, get excited. I always get excited when, I see, when my intuition is right, I get excited. So, okay. Wow, one love situation in the last 2 piles were different, but this is a love situation. Okay. So guys, I read diagonal, I read the upper, bottom, left, right. There are many ways to read. So let's start. I like how the counterparts are coming. So again, I mentioned in the other pile, the main man and the mature woman are not really the counterpart, right? Meaning in the deck, there is main man and there is main female. Mature woman has a mature man in the deck. But these are 2 different people. But this is still a relationship. They are counterpart in this storyline, right? I like how the counterparts are coming here. And we have the marriage card in between. So the main man, of course, represents a man, right? This is someone quite who has good taste in everything in life, like luxury, like they like to wear very fancy, not fancy, but very classy or elegant clothes. Yeah. And the woman Mature woman, of course, is someone who is, again, look at her eyes. She has like sexy eyes, I should say. Yeah, she's very elegant, someone very mature. Okay, I don't necessarily see an older woman. Can be, okay, can be that this represents an older woman, but this represent more as, you know, someone who's very mature in life, right? Who's gone through a lot, who knows a lot. Something on those lines is what I see. So with you know, being having the counterpart here, this is about, definitely about a love situation here. One thing, guys, I don't think the other readers read in this fashion, but when the man is above the woman, like the main card is above the mature woman, I feel the situation is more dominated by the man, right? So he's dominating the situation right now, or he is, you know, bringing the situation, or he's playing the major role right now in the situation. So if you're a man watching, you're doing this. If you're female watching, the partner is doing this. Simple, right? Now with the man and the thought, this man is thinking, right? These two cards are connected for me. This man is thinking to offer a commitment to the mature woman, right? This commitment not necessarily has to be marriage. I always keep saying, it can be anything. It can be just a partnership, just, you know, beginning of something. But yes, this is bringing two people together, of course. So it can be in any fashion. It can be, you know, just the beginning of a connection, or getting to know you, something on those lines. But getting two people together is the situation. It's a partnership, not necessarily a marriage. But yes, this person is heavily thinking about this situation with the mature woman, right? Yeah. And because this is a center card and I have these counterparts, even the woman in the story is also thinking this, right? Now with high honor basically, you know, it's like thinking very highly about someone, right? That's the thing. So high honor is like declaring also. Here's the thing. I think the man, if I have to read this way also, these three cards, right? The man is thinking to declare about this, right? The woman is also thinking to declare, you know. So the both of the parties in this situation are focused in coming together. That is so cute. That is so cute. So both want to come together. They both are thinking, because if I see this diagonal also, you know, thoughts, marriage, mature woman. So even the woman is thinking about this. You both are on the same page, by the way. This is very beautiful. This is so beautiful. Both of the parties in this story want to come together. And with high honor, as I said, it's more like declaring, telling. It's like confessing, right? That this is what I want. So both are in the same energy. The man is a bit dominating in this situation for whatever reasons. I don't know. Maybe, you know, the mature woman is kind of waiting for the man to declare something on those lines, or the man is more ready to declare than the woman. So something about the man, I can feel that he's more dominating in this situation. And of course with the thoughts, I feel both of the parties are thinking to declare that they want to be together, right? I'm so feeling the urge to pull one more card to see what is this marriage going to be. Should we do this? I mean, we didn't plan this, right? Okay, let's see. I really wish that there is a good card coming out, because if not, I will cry. Spirit, can you give me a little more about what is marriage here? What is marriage here, Spirit, please, for the main female? Mm. Now see, I will have to pull another card now. Can you give me another card still, please? Why is marriage and the woman? I will put another card. So can you give me just one more card, please? Okay, here I have sudden wealth. I think the woman here in this storyline. So yeah, this is the counterpart, by the way, right? So the main male and the main female are counterparts here, right? So we have the counterpart coming out, which is represented. The mature woman is the main female. So we have the counterpart energy, and this is bringing. I think this is very unexpectedly happening, by the way, with the sudden wealth. This is very unexpected, but it's going to bring in. Guys, one more thing. One more thing. I have 11 year and 2 year. Guys, this is your counterpart. This can definitely be your twin flame. Okay, guys. Twin flames, I've explained in my, many posts and videos. What are twin flames? Basically, twin flames are, one soul that is separated into a feminine and a masculine energy, and their only purpose is to come together in union. Now this union can be physical or just in the physical world, or just the soul coming together, but they have higher purpose, but they will be gravitated towards each other no matter what, right? Whatever the situation is, they will come together. That's like the storyline. Now with the 11, I don't know why I felt to focus here. So with 11, and again there is 2, this is like fated connection. This is a connection that's written. Nobody can separate these two people, right? Yeah, if you're already in such a connection, guys, this is very beautiful. If not, you will soon meet someone like this, right? You will soon meet your counterpart. But I feel that you already know, because there is a lot of thinking happening. There is like confession storyline here. So I don't think this is someone new coming in. This is definitely someone that you are already connected in some capacity, let's say. But yeah, they are your divine counterpart. This is the person that you need to be with. So guys, that's what I have for you. This was very beautiful. Let me know if this resonates. Thank you so much, guys. This was your reading. I'll meet you next time.